In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the December Mindful Souls monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so I'm so grateful for Mindful Souls. They reached out to me and I've been working with them for a few months. You guys know I do my Goddess Provisions monthly unboxings and I love those. And I feel so lucky to have another one now, and I love these too. You guys know I love these because it just expands your spirituality, gives you something to learn, something new to explore, and I love it. So we're going to get into this monthly box. But before we get into the monthly box, I did want to let you guys know a few things about Mindful Souls. So one thing I love is it's not just a monthly subscription box that you get, but you also get to go shop. It's a shop. It's an online shop. So you can go and buy different things, crystals, spiritual items. There's a ton of things on the shop, you guys. And I have a 20% off code for everybody if you guys are interested in shopping there. But I want to let you know that the monthly box is $39.97 a month. I wrote it down so I don't forget. So not bad, because the items in here, you guys saw the last few months, are so nice. So with that being said, if you're interested, let's get started. Okay, so you know that every unboxing that I do, these are my fun videos, my downtime videos, videos that I don't really have to curate as long as I need to for the rest of them, but I do it over a drink. So grab yourself your tea, your shot, your wine, a snack, and let's get into it. That's out of the way. Let's start opening this. It's like a early Christmas, right? So one thing I do really appreciate from Mindful Souls is they have free shipping. So I think a lot of you will appreciate that too, right? But as soon as you open it, I love their logo. I like to keep the boxes and then like gift people things in these boxes because the boxes are so cute. And then if you open it, first thing you see is the card. And you guys know I love the card, right? Because on the back of it, it shows you everything that's in there. I'm not going to look because last time I looked and I got to see everything before you did. So this time kind of let's have it be a surprise. As soon as you pick up the card, we see all of these goodies right here, and let's get into it. So, first thing I see here is an affirmation card. I got one last time, and I saved it to put in my journal. I love putting these in my journal, on my fridge, on my walls, on the ceiling. When you wake up, you stare at it. I love these, right? And this one says, affirmation for creativity. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. I love this. If you're an artist, it's perfect for you. And it's a little, I think it's a hummingbird, but it also looks like a bird of paradise, if you can see that. Yeah, really cute. I love that. Next thing I see, wasn't I just saying that the logo is so cute? So they did actually give a sticker of their logo. It says Mindful Souls. I would love to put this, like, you can put it anywhere. It's really good quality. Really cute. This right here caught my attention. I pulled it out and wow, it's a little dream catcher keychain. This is beautiful because you could put this on your keys in your car, but I would put it near your bed. This is so pretty, really, really cute, dainty, and just looks very nice. I love that orange in there. Let me show you close up.
Do you guys see this? How cute is that? I love that orange color tones with the wood and the blue tones. It's really, really pretty, and it goes down like this.
I like to use dream catchers near my bed to catch any nightmares that may come and just to protect me when I sleep. So that's how I use it. I actually have one hanging over my bed, but I want to use this one too. I might replace it because this is really cute. Next thing I see here is a little baggie, and I love the Mindful Souls little bags because, again, like if I gift something and I need a little baggie, I always save these. They're really, really cute. But what I see in here is a necklace. It's an amethyst necklace. Perfect timing for me because I think I'm doing a lot of crown chakra work and I want to wear this and not take it off. This is so pretty. Do you guys see this? Wow, I see it in the camera and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Do you guys see the amethyst? Oh, it's so pretty. And then here's the necklace.
Another thing I actually really appreciate is that it's adjustable. So I'm probably going to be sharing this with my partner, and also going to, you know, put it on my altar. Of course, really pretty piece. I love this. And this is a pendulum amethyst necklace. So you could also use it as a pendulum. That's actually really nice. Because of the pointed tip, this would be perfect. And amethyst is a crystal of your mind and, you know, organizing your thoughts, nightmares, things like that. This is the crystal for your crown chakra. So I love this. The next thing I'm pulling out here is another little baggie, and inside I see a rose quartz wand. Wow, this is really pretty. I don't think I have a rose quartz wand, if you see this.
You see this rose quartz wand? Perfect size. It's so cute. You could keep this in your bedroom, underneath your mattress, in a honey jar, near photos.
So this is a rose quartz pointer crystal, and of course rose quartz is for unconditional love, healing love, and just bringing in a lot of peace energy, calm energy into the house. A very nice, calming, gentle, loving stone, the stone of unconditional love. I love this. Next thing I see here is another little baggie, and in it we have, I think it's a bracelet. Yes, it is. So this is a Howlite bracelet. I can tell it's a Howlite bracelet with volcanic rock in it. And here's a funny thing. I was sitting on my altar this morning and I had this really vivid image of Ganesh in my head. He was glowing, and I was like, why? Like, that doesn't really happen, right? And this bracelet has an elephant on it. So I don't know, that makes me feel really good, but let me show you.
Look at how cute this is. So this is Howlite crystals, and these are volcanic, I forgot, they're like lava crystals, and you could diffuse these with an essential oil. And look at this elephant right there.
You know what? It's not Howlite. It looks so much like Howlite to me, but it's not. I was wrong. It's white turquoise. I didn't even know that turquoise came like that. But wow, black lava beads, volcanic rock, and white turquoise. White turquoise is a master healer and assists the absorption of nutrients while strengthening the immune system. Perfect. I love this. I did not know this was white turquoise. I'm very excited. Of course, I'm going to be giving this to my Ganesh first, and then from time to time I'll borrow it. Really pretty. I love this. The next thing I see here is an essential oil, and that's to go with the lava rocks. Lava rocks can absorb essential oils, so you could add like any oil you want to it. Intention oil, essential oil, perfume. It's really potent in absorbing, and then you can smell it throughout the day, use it for aromatherapy, use it as a spell. Lots of things you could do with it. But here I have rosemary essential oil, which I just ran out of mine, and I've been getting signs to work with rosemary a little bit more lately, so I'm very excited that it came to me in essential oil form. Yes, it does smell like rosemary, so fresh. I'm really excited, you guys. Rosemary just lifts your spirit. That just lifted me up. You know what? I'm going to diffuse this all over my house right after I film, because I want this just diffused. It smells so good. So good. This box is so well worth it. The next thing I see here, this is so cute. It's a little Buddha, and I think it's an incense holder. I'm not really sure. Let's see. No, it's a Serenity Buddha figurine, and this is so cute. I'm going to be putting this on my reading table, and you guys will be seeing this in my readings. It's so cute. Let me show you.
Look at this little Buddha. How cute is he? I'd love to bedazzle it too. Like, I love bedazzling things. Is that still a thing? I can just see him like blinged out. It's so cute. You guys, what do you think?
Okay, so those are all the things that are in this month's box. I'm so excited to start playing with these, to start charging them on my altar. I'm looking over there because my altar is right there. I'm just excited to just put it there, wash it, cleanse it, use it. I'm really, really excited. This box really lifted my spirits. And if you guys are interested, $39.97 a month, you get way worth your money. Like, just that amethyst alone, just the rose quartz, white turquoise, well worth your money, right? And this is the last box, I think, of the year. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want a 20% off code, I have it down below. And I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.